so fast.
Hello everyone, welcome to the CN Tower. This is the north part view of the city. If you want to check the progress of the elevator, we have 2 panels down. We are traveling at 22 kilometers per hour, 15 miles per hour. And in 58 seconds, we will reach the main observation level, 346 meters above the ground, 1136 feet, or 114 building stories. 1 level down is the lower level. Please take the stairs to go 1 level down. Explore the original glass floor. And when you are ready to exit the tower, it's going to be from the lower level. If you have ticket for Skypod, go to the white desk between yellow and purple elevators exactly at the time of your time ticket. Enjoy the view. It's getting fun.
Are we going up there?
No.